kita udah datang Pak itu kan. Oke, register dulu guna telepon. Oke, registernya tulis semua nama dalam registrationnya. Ini baru bayar tiket guys. Baru bayar tiket betin. Boleh setel telepon, boleh register makanya. Hah?
Bulan satu wae. Bulan 30.
Ya, cek di mana Mingzi sampai. Oke. Dah? Bedau. Ông nghe tôi bedau. Baris untuk bayar tiket guys. Pendaftaran. Jalan kaki kan pakai bagi.
Macam mana? Jauh kah?
Dalam 20 menit.
Jalan kaki.
Jalan Nyi empat dalamnya. Let's go guys. Kita kena kereta Karan. Welcome to Semenggoh. No jelo tuh guys. Oke. Tuh patungnya. Ya, sama tim. Kita ingin atuk ketekaran dong, ketekaran. Kau itu?
Maknya
Tumbeh terus kita.
Apa-apa.
Ada.
oh, bukan itu.
Lepas ada.
Ya. Papagaya deh ya. Ya, nawa. Di situ we. Nama depan kita tuh Peggy. Baka mas nandiyo riyan na kung umra orang main. Nanti di dalam zoo, bukan tahu main pahay. Jangan kaki dalam zoo. Pagkawa sa situ.
Ini kita ya? Benar nama?
Bukan. Orang hutan.
Orang rambutan.
Bukan orang rambutan.
Orang nama deh?
Orang hutan.
Orang hutan. Oh, orang hutan. Oke.
Tapi dia boleh chance untuk mada ya.
Oke, kita udah start berjalan guys. Nah, jalan kenapa sekarang tuh? Pergi nama tuh.
Papagaya banyak deh. Aduh mo satu. Jalan kaki itu cuma mini.
Zing zing zing.
Boleh mesti kita lagi tikap jalan.
Ya monkey.
Tahu, terubah tuh kita tahu.
Kini betul.
Mesti jalan kaki kita lagi, lapan kita ke tamak ke dalam. Fai lagi, boleh. Tuh kampung tuh semua tuh. Nih, pedau. Nama bisa itu ya.
Bro, monkey. Ada monkey.
Mana orang hutan ini belum sampai.
Di kadaku sampai. Ya.
Dan orangnya berdarat.
Orang putih. Oh, keren.
Lihat deh, jam darat.
Orang putih. Sikit dah lah.
Kalau nyamai, nama nak kasut. Mau yang ada 20 minit, ya. Kita ada jogging 20 minit. Ya, yang nanti balik ada belakang deh.
Ini mada orang hutan ah, mada orang hutan.
Ya, bagi ke 6. Wah, ada yang ya, orang ikutan. Orang ikutan. Orang ikutan. Ya, monkey. Monkey ke 6. Orang ikutan.
Oh, meloyaknya.
Ya. Cie.
Sini.
Terus saya ke bawah,
Pas tuh.
nanti balik atas sini lagi.
Oh, datang sini lagi lah. Ah, thank you. Depan tuh baru kita itu lagi. Ah, ya. Tahu ya nanti kamu tunggu kah?
Nanti pukul 4 lah atas sini.
Ah, oke. Ah, seberapa pukul 4 kah? Niki kita baru, enak tuh baru. Pergi.
Apa? Baju.
Oi.
Baju.
Oh. Nah. Aso tindo dito kini. Oke, tok tadi itu dok.
Aram kita tanya. Kita emang yang kedua ya, ya kita lagi.
Itu Korea, Pak.
Enggak, ya
Mendarat ada nian tadi lupa.
Oh, nuru bukit tuh. Kini enggak.
Nama orangnya nganjung kita sampai di baru.
Nah, aso hayap jalan kaki.
Enggak lama kita ke jalan kaki katanya. Paman itu mana kasutnya? Pamannya mantuk kita ke jalan. Iya.
Ya area pada area ini deh mata jelo. Ada capek deh area, ada capek. Dari ini lawa ini deh mata rutan. Mata nyumbuh.
Kita jauh tidak.
Nah. Ini deh mata nyumbuh wae wae. Oh. Nya tiba-tiba aja.
Namanya gimana kasut tadi?
Yam ya.
Orang nggak mau jelung, kan? Ano jo?
Tok teh dalam tok.
Oh. So intiar bisa ano gitu. Ano.
Ada.
Terap lagi. No.
Nak manjuang.
Manjuang yung buah.
Nak manjuang ah. Oke.
Nah, nih burung.
Pusat hiburan liar Semenggoh.
Nama tutup pura jalan itu nah. Jalan itu tutupnya tempat lama itu bawahnya. Ya,
Ya.
Oh,
Itu udah dibeh, udah rubah.
Orang utan deh.
Ya. Nah, tinggal kita guys. Terawah. Oh, bisa jamban tuh BG lah, bisa jamban.
Public pala.
Cek.
We're still waiting for the orangutans, okay? Right now the rangers still try to find them. You heard the calling sound from in the forest, right? So that is my colleague, not the orangutan. They still try to find the orangutans right now. This morning you only got one, but who knows, they might come more by the afternoon. Like yesterday, we got 2 or 3 by the morning. Afternoon visitors managed to see 6. So it's more than what we expected. Sometimes we always brief to the visitors, one is better than nothing. So we just wait first. Okay, I'm still waiting for the other visitors to come. Later we'll have a briefing somewhere over here. Give it like half an hour after dinner and we'll have a briefing over here, okay? Alright, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Go can go high. No.
Kita ngante orang ngangau ngarap ke sida mayuh meratai lagi. Bala nyumuh guys.
Orang ngangau kaya.
Oke guys, kita ngante bala orang tu ngangau nyumuh lagi ngarap
Orang
ke.
hutan.
Yalah orang hutan meh.
Apa nyumbuhnya?
Ngarap ke sida ya lagi datai mayuh lah.
Si kau pamam meh.
Mayuh lagi. Oh, nyabu rindo medak ya lagi.
Nya nu orang mereka makai lagi.
Datai ya hari nyin guys, hari nyin.
Nak nemu?
Ngarap kami hari nyin.
Ini ada pucuk kayu gini.
Nyin.
Nya nu yang makai nya.
Oh ya. Feeding platform no makai. Ya.
Ini nemu orang ini.
Bisa nadai medak bedau.
Jauh ada ya.
Ada ya. Nyin guys, pada kita
Nu mereka makai.
dia dua makai lagi. Ah, rindo medak lagi.
Nya jalan orang ngangau.
Nah, orang ngau sekanya. Nah.
Jauh sudah baru hujan.
Sila.
Harap ada orang kak dito. Tolia lah. Dari di kurung.
Ya.
Dia dalam hutan. Semenggoh life.
Keistimewaan orang hutan itu ya liar, ya ukai dalam sangkar, ya bebas,
Bebas
Pak,
dalam hutan
kebun,
simpan.
ya. Itu tidak ya benar ngangau ke orang hutan. Itu ratai itu mereka makai. Ngarap tidak ya sari itu banyak ratai lah makai.
Siko pamama yan.
Ya lah.
22 tahun. Aku udah nak kita. Oh, dito dah baru 22 tahun. Ya, sore. Nama ka pada sore?
Orang hutan.
Orang hutan.
Orang hutan.
Oke, mangki meat.
Orang hutan.
Besar.
Bukannya.
Bisa mendapat
Tiger
ikan.
Chance.
Oh,
Ya, chance untuk
it's
beda ya.
very big.
Enggak, kayak
Ya.
orang hutan.
Ya.
Orang
Di sini nggak kita kurang ngangau ke bala.
apa?
Nya orang ngangau sedaya nya.
Si monkey.
Bala staff itu ngangau orang hutan. Ngambil sedak datai makai lagi. Kami dito benam ngante. Kami penuh datai. Kita nganti guys. Nanti bala orang hutan datai. Mayo para pelancong gitu oke. Oke sudah ya. Dia dire ngangau bala orang hutan tuh. Bisa bapeko dah ke dalam hutan dan ngangau ke bala orang hutan merebakai. Hanya saya dah ngangau ah. Tuh orang hutan tuh jenis ke liar. Hanya sedang ngangaunya. Bisa mendak kah? Dia mendak?
Ya, jauh Dian.
Bisa mendak kah? Hah? Dah tanya.
Ya,
Nih, bedau eh. Benong nyeru bala sida orang hutan datai.
haraplah bisa 4, 5, 6.
Ya. Kan?
Kalau lihat adopt kalau sekolahku bisa cash monkey.
Oh.
Ular bisa. Anak perusak. Anak perusak
Nice weather for the orangutans to come. Okay, so once again, welcome to Semenggong Wildlife Center, a place where orangutans roaming free. So when I say roaming free, the orangutan is everywhere, no cages, no enclosure. They can come from every corner, they can come from every direction, either in front of you, behind you, left, right. Using the trees, go to the feeding platform, or using the ground to walk. So this compound was actually a favorite compound for the big male to move. He might come from there, on the ground, approaching us over here, even from there, or even from behind here. So stay alert, I need your eyes to see the orangutans, okay? And right now is a good timing for you to come because now fruit season has ended already. Means that they will come for our supplementary food. Even I can say there's no day for no orangutan, but we never give like hope for the visitors. Everything was wild in the forest. So everything that happened in here will be decided by the orangutans. They are the one the boss in here, not us. They come here for feeding and not you are the one who visiting them. They are the one who visiting us in here for free. No tickets. Having a popcorn over there while watching a movie. So right now, according to my colleague, there is a movement already. And most of the time, we always brief to the visitors in here. If you manage to see only one, out of 29 in this 1,600 acres of area, then one is better than nothing. Okay? Set in your mind, this is a wildlife center, not a zoo. Not a place where you can hug them, kiss them, having a selfie with orangutans in here. We never do that. If you do that, something might happen to you. Okay? So right now, if you heard the calling sounds I'm in the forest, that is my colleague, not the orangutans. Orangutans mean man of the forest, that one man in the forest. Try to find man of the forest. And yes, he spotted one already over there. Okay? So now, his mission is try to bring the orangutans over here so that you guys can see them. That's how it's done. So in here, everything will be taken care by the rangers. So only you guys only having some viewing only, and you can take as many photos as you can. It's free of charge. Videos, as many videos as you can. It's free of charge. Okay. And right now, while we are waiting for the orangutans, just want to inform to you also we have a package of orangutans in here. We have 4 big males, one of a big chick pad. We have 3 mother and a baby, and we have the oldest orangutan in here, 55 years old. 3 children, 6 grandchildren, 1 great-grandchildren. Don't ask me who is the father. Don't ask me who's the grandfather. Don't ask me who's the great-grandfather. We only know who is the mother in here. I'm sorry to say the father, they know how to do it only. They just eat and run. That's it. Okay? Alright. And in here also, there are some rules and regulations that need to be followed by the visitors in here. Of course, we have a lots of rules, but we focus on these 2 golden rules. The first one, if you can just be silent all the time. Lower down your voices when you're talking. My voices is fine. I heard my voices almost 10 years already. Who knows they're picking at me over there? Oh, this fellow having a briefing already. Food is almost being served. That is the first one. And the second one is stay away from the orangutan. Keep your distance from the orangutan. Can you do that? Right now you listen, later you'll forget everything I said. Trust me. Okay? So most of the time, big males love using the ground to walk. They might approach us directly. They don't care. This is the area. They have rights to go here, go there. They might come from there on the ground approaching us over here. This thing happened. When I say move, please move. When I say move quickly, move quickly. When I say run for your life, you need to run for your life. Why I say so? One big male needs at least 8 to 10 manpower to control. If he successfully grabbed you, you will be a permanent citizen in this forest. Don't worry, we will feed you. We have a lot of banana right now. Okay? So please, keep your distance from them. We don't want anything bad to happen to you, even though the hospital is only 5 minutes from here. Okay? So please, keep your distance. Sometimes the orangutans gone crazy also. They might start to chase us or even the visitors. If this thing happen, we had a front liner in here. We had the walls in here. We had the shields for you guys. We had the Avengers for you. Orangutans, visitors, there will be a rangers in the middle. Probably rangers, the other rangers might not saying this, but for me, I must say I will die for you. For 25 ringgits. Some of you pay 5 ringgit to see me die. So listen to our instruction real carefully when the orangutans come out. Sometimes things you cannot control anything in here. So all I need to do is listen to us. Forget your phones, forget your cameras first. Yeah, please. For example, when the orangutans start to move on the ground over there, when the rangers say move over there, move over there, when the rangers say move over here, move over here, when the rangers say jump on the river, jump on the river. It's for your safety. Okay? That is your mission in here. Just wait for the orangutans patiently. When the orangutans come out, listen to our instruction real carefully. It's for your safety. Your safety is our main priority in here. Anything happen, I told you already, you will get it first. Right? So that is the 2 golden rules. Other than that, cameras are welcome, but please switch off your flashlights. All kind of sticks. Tripod, selfie stick, umbrella, if you have it, just make it short. Don't make it too long and point it to orangutan like this. Don't try to do it like this. They might presume it as a weapon. When they see you are the one who pointing something long to them, they get scared. They will remember your face. Second time, when you come here, you will have a special gift from the orangutan. Okay? Please. And please keep our compound clean by not littering, especially tissues. I had to see tissues on the ground. You can use it probably later. You can throw it somewhere at the bins at the public toilet over there. We don't provide the bins in here. If you provide the bins in here for today, tomorrow you will see the bin is on the top of the trees. See? And do not pluck anything, any plants in here, especially Nepenthes or pitcher plant. Okay? Pitcher plant is a protected species in this area. You pluck one because it's too beautiful, you probably will be arrested for the whole day. For 1 day by an enforcement officer. You've been caught having it. But if you have any different intention, you get a pitcher plant with the roots, you want to have some research on that, you will be in jail. Okay? Right? So those want to have a free food, free service, free bedroom, you can plug our picture plant right now. Okay? Alright, so is it clear everyone? Yes. Right now your mission is still in progress. We're still waiting for the orangutans. I'll be assisted my colleague to call out the orangutans after this. Any sign, any movement, I will update to you, and probably we'll meet like half an hour after this or less than that. As soon as the orangutan is getting closer, I will inform to you, and the ranger will provide the foods at the feeding platform over there. Okay? So, well, I guess I think that's all for me. Once again, thank you so much for coming. Danke fürs kommen. Gracias por venir. Gracias per essere venuto. Merci d'être venu. Dziękuję za przybycie. Tak for edukom bedanke voycoms. Ite kureti arigato. Sheshe ni de taulai. Wajoso gumawayo gamsamida. Ani kilid hanyavad. Kavala Kriste Prisli. Spasibo sto Prisli. Dziękuję zesta przyszli. Kosonom of Yayotel, Multimate Sky Minutes. Obrigado por ter vindo. Shukran ni uruikum. Terima kasih. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Everyone, remember the tour got rules just now. I just told you already about the tour got rules.
The milk to 21. They will try to attack you. Run for your life. Are you scared? I'm scared. No.
Just wait for it. This morning visitors only see one. So this afternoon, Maza and the boys all start to come, and according to my colleague, there's another movement also behind that. We try to bring all of these orangutans that come up from here, go towards this platform. One is better than nothing. If you see two, two is better than one.
Nhìn. Nhìn.
Mà đâu mà tao mà đó.
Kia suai bisa madak detan.
Burung jak kuda.
Ni aja.
Tupai ni tadi.
You must speak English.
Tupai.
It's coming.
Ni yang tupai.
Mother is on the way, okay? It's coming here. Wait and see.
Dia mau rejak di situ.
Ini sabar mai. Ini temada. Where did you see tadi? Pokok. Pokok. Pokok pokok. Banyaknya. So many. Nah, lama aku meda.
Speak English because orang utan no speak English. Utan no speak English.
Okay.
Yo. Sama ya kok English lah. Orang utan mo jago English ya.
I know.
Ya, tempat.
Nah, itu makanan.
They just brought some food.
Tebung.
Bunuh. Jadi ayam makai ni. Oh ni mana ya? Kan?
Tupai.
Ni. Tupainya. Ya, tidak aku tadi.
Tebu,
Bakal tempat gajah.
pisang.
Siapa yang gajah? Maka itu
Tebu.
Nó đó thì đầm đầm ăn cái đầm bại.
bakal gajah mau zirapa.
Tebu tay jamu.
Pisang.
Ya, dia kaki kau ya. Ini begini. Mana ya?
Pisang atau tepung.
Pinang. Pinang sila ito.
Nama gaya oh siteknya.
Buah. Ya, sini ada.
Nah, ini berapa?
Beridan. Beridan kah?
Okay, so 2 over there, 1 over here.
Wow.
And I'm not sure whether that one is big or not. So the movement, according to my colleague, that movement is almost the same movement from our big one. Okay, big guy. And this one, the mother that will start to come over here. That mother is our 22 years old orangutan named Selena.
Selena.
No Selena Gomez. Only Selena only. And the baby was our 4 years old orangutan named Ojang.
Oh, jangan.
Ojang means like single. Okay. So the ropes are taking already. The ropes are moving already.
Ini.
Kali ya.
It's coming already.
And for
You see?
additional
You see
information,
the rope?
this one is the most aggressive mother in here. Most aggressive mother. She loves to bring her 4 years old son moving on the ground. Okay? So take note every single thing I say because it's very important for your safety. When the mother starts to move on the ground, approaching you guys over there, all of you need to move over here. Okay? And when she starts to move over here, approaching you guys over there, all of you move to that place. Okay? If she's moving on top of the trees using this rope, go towards there, give space. Don't stand directly underneath the orangutan. You might break some branches and throw it to you. Or you might have a very warm shower by the afternoon. Public toilet is everywhere, so watch out.
Buru ang may biyahe. Itu 3 kali untung lagi kita ya.
3, 4, 5, 6 nya mah. Mana?